On the situation of migrant children and families in the US.
Children should not be separated from their families because of their migration status. So it's a statement from our UNICEF Executive Director Henrietta Fore on situation of migrant children and families in the US. Stories of children, some of them just babies, being separated from their parents as they seek safety in the US are heartbreaking. Children, no matter where they come from or what their migration status, are children first and foremost. Those who were left with no option but to flee their homes have the right to be protected, access essential services and be with their families, just like all children.
Dénonce comme les autres organismes tels que la CIMAD les fait. Et je sais que, par exemple, en 2012...
Whether it be war in Syria or South Sudan, famine in Somalia or an earthquake in Haiti, the US has been there to help and take in uprooted children. I hope that the best interest of refugee and migrant children will be paramount in the application of US asylum procedures and laws. Statement from our UNICEF Executive Director Henrietta Fore. Merci.
Vous avez une agence nationale qui s'appelle UNICEF USA. Est-ce que tu peux nous en dire plus sur d'abord vos relations entre vous, UNICEF et UNICEF USA? C'est quoi?
You didn't say that you're asking for access. My interpretation of that is that UNICEF believes these children are being properly cared for. If you had fears that they weren't being properly cared for, you'd say, we want to go, we want to monitor, as you would in Rakhine State, or for example. So why isn't UNICEF simply saying, children are being separated from their families, their welfare is at stake, we need access to monitor? Why not make that fairly obvious call?
It's really a question of relation between UNICEF USA and the government, the American government. So I don't have any details on the exact content of the communication between UNICEF USA, our national committee in the US, and the American authorities. I can come back to you on that.
Je ne sais pas si c'est vrai ou faux. Et dans un centre ou quelque chose qui ressemble à une prison ou un centre d'accueil. Mais là,